Introducing the Amazfit GTS 4 mini smartwatch for women and men. With its sleek design and impressive features, this smartwatch is the perfect companion for your active lifestyle. One of the standout features of this watch is its precision positioning capabilities. With support for 5 satellite positioning systems and circularly polarized antenna technology, you can trust that your location will always be accurate, whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring a new city. And with a water resistance depth of 50 meters, you can even take this watch for a swim without worry. The Amazfit GTS 4 Mini also brings convenience to your wrist with built-in Amazon Alexa. Set alarms, ask questions, and even get translations, all with a simple voice command. And with the powerful Zepp OS, you'll have access to over 10 mini apps to enhance your daily life. But this watch isn't just about convenience, it's also about your health. With just a tap, you can easily test your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and stress levels. In just 45 seconds, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of your health. And the in-depth sleep monitoring feature ensures that you're getting the rest you need to stay at the top of your game. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, you'll love the 120+ sports modes available on this watch. From walking and running to yoga and cycling, you'll find a mode for every activity. And with smart recognition of 7 sports, you can jump into action quickly and effortlessly. Don't let battery life hold you back. This smartwatch has a mega-powerful 270 mAh battery that can last up to 15 days on typical usage and up to 45 days on battery saver mode. So whether you're traveling or just busy with everyday life, you can trust that your watch will keep up with you. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use internationally. And for compatibility, the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini is compatible with Android 7.0 and above and iOS 12.0 and above devices. With the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini smartwatch, you'll have a stylish and reliable companion that enhances your life in more ways than one. Shop now and experience the future of smartwatches.